Hey guys, it's Emily making another video. Today I'm going to show you where everything is in Crystal Sands. So let's get started. Crystal Sands. Okay, oh my gosh, there's no one here. Okay, the first thing we're going to look for is the cacao tree. That is when you're in the water, you go over here, and that's right beside this building by the water slide. So this is it. Next we're going to look for the macaw. So you go to the right of the water, up this here, to Tierney's Aquarium, and the macaw is going to land right here on the roof, and we'll come back later to see it. Next we're going to find the flamingo. So the flamingo is pretty easy to find, pretty bright. It's right here, so get that. Next we're going to look for the tide pool. This is pretty easy because the tide pool never goes anywhere. It's always in the exact same place, which is right here, so you can click on that. Next, we're going to be looking for the green iguana. Where's the green iguana? Let me see if I remember where that guy is. This right there. Get the basilic lizard. This is the basilic lizard. It will run through there. Next we're going to be getting the sugar cane, which is right here where I am, conveniently. Next we're going to be getting the centipede. The centipede will be up here, and then you're going to get the tapir, which is right here. Oh no, he's going away. But he'll be sitting here for a while. Next we're going to get the crab. Alright, Mr. Crab, we're going to get you. So the crab is right here. I'll go straight here. Next we're going to get the sand dollar. The sand dollar is over here under this slide where the two slides come out. And I think that's everything. Yes, alright. Tea. And the macaw is not out yet, but that is okay, because you know where he's going to be and you will see him on your own. So, yeah. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this helps you find what you need to find and get your awesome prize. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.